Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another vlog for you. And honestly, I feel like we're just trying to make the most of our summer at this point, and the beach is like one of the safest places because, you know, you are so widespread. There's not really too much stuff at the beach for you to like touch after other people, you know what I mean? So like we feel like that's like kind of the safest place to really enjoy our summer right now without going to pools and things like that, especially because we don't have our pool yet. But yeah, we're going to the beach today. Myself right now, I'm headed out to Lowe's. I gotta do some dad activity. I swear to God, being a homeowner is one of the most stressful things ever. Like, I miss the days back when we had our apartment and something went wrong. We call up our landlord and then he figures it out, and then, you know, it's all set. But now as a homeowner, it's all on us. 2 days ago, our garbage disposal stopped working on our sink. Like, I think it's clogged. I'm pretty sure that it's clogged, but just out of nowhere, just stopped working. You know, so now that's what I'm going out today. I have to go get that fixed. And then I also need to get a Rubbermaid bin for Naz. She wants to put all of Von's like clothes that he grew out of. And then I also have to get the snacks and drinks and things for our little beach day today. Today, like, we're going to the beach, but it's not gonna be like last time. It's not a beach day. I think we're just doing like a little picnic type of vibe thing. So that's what we have planned for today. Let me go get this eventful ass day started and go buy these things from Lowe's so I can get our house together. So I kept looking, and these were the only like style of storage bins I kept seeing. And it looks like I got it at Lowe's. Like, it looks super rugged and like manly outdoors. And I knew Niles would not want these. Like, here's another section. They literally have 3 sections with these exact like storage bins. But luckily I asked a worker, and now I found all of these, which Niles will probably be a lot happier with. So I ended up getting these like flatter ones, just so, you know, it doesn't take up as much space in storage, and it's just for Kayvon's clothes, so they're really small. And hopefully we can slide it up under a bed or somewhere out the way as well. Okay, so I finally got back home. Kayvon is upstairs crying. He just woke up from a nap, so you guys might hear him. But Naz is about to go get him. This was actually a successful trip. I went and got everything I was looking for, so that's good. Now I'm home. I'm about to try and work on this disposal real quick before we head out to the beach, because I'm telling y'all, I don't know if it's the dad in me or the new homeowner or whatever, but I will not be able to enjoy my day knowing that our disposal is messed up. So I'm about to go ahead and work on this real quick, and, you know, hopefully my Bob the Builder skills come in handy and I can get it fixed without us having to call somebody to come in and fix it professionally. Well, I did it. I'll leave my number down below so you guys can call me and hire me to come fix you guys' garbage disposal. Pretty much professional at this point. But actually, it was very easy. So if you guys ever have an issue, run to Lowe's or wherever and get you one of these jam buster wrenches. And you literally just, I twisted at the bottom of the disposal and it did something and it unclogged it, and now it works. So, Bubba, come on. Come on. He's too interested in what mommy's doing over there.
He's too interested in your coffee cakes.
You ready for beach day round 2? This time it's more of a picnic vibe, Bubba. What is he looking at over there? Hey. Hey, mister.
Babe.
We're here. Focus. You're working. You're a vlogger today.
Hey, let me show them something. So, y'all saw Mel on his dad's status today. You gotta show him me on my mom's status. Give me that bag over there. Give me that beach bag. You guys, the old Naz, the Naz that wasn't a mom, cared about being aesthetic. Mom Naz doesn't care. She wants She wants functionality. You guys, functionality. I found this bag on Amazon, and it has so many different compartments, and the reason that I got it is because it has a cooler attached to the bottom. Because our last beach day, we had like 4 separate bags and it was a hot mess. So I found this bag on Amazon, and I'm gonna fill up the cooler at the bottom. Well, Danny's bringing the sandwiches, so we're just bringing the drinks and like fruit. So guys, look at that.
Wow.
You know, just mom things.
So cool. Ooh. Wow. Can you vlog, Bubba? Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up, vlog.
He's doing being cute.
Say what's up.
Hi, Hon. Vaughn is at Lavender.
Chilling. Chilling.
Miss It's Danny DMC, she texted me, she's like, what food should we have for the beach day? And I was like, I want one of your sandwiches you make on your story.
Yeah, so I made salmon ones and caprese ones.
Yum.
They're fire.
Like a rib.
We brought some cherries.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah.
Hi, baby. Say hi to the camera, Bubba. Hey. Hey. Hi. I love you so much.
Hi, I love you.
Clouds when it's pouring rain ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never fall.
Hey guys, it's been a few days since you guys saw the footage at the beginning of this video, and I just thought I could continue on today so we had more to add to this video. So pretty much today, guys, I'm so dehydrated. I don't know what it is, but I've been so bad about drinking water lately. Like horrible. Like I don't know what's going on. I think it's because I haven't been like active. It's like I was drinking more water when I was like going to the gym and stuff like that. Ron is crying downstairs, so I should probably go downstairs and help out, because Mel, like, we were in bed last night and I'm like, I look over at Mel and I'm like, I want your turkey burgers or chicken burgers. We use either like ground turkey or ground chicken depending on what the store has. And I was like, I want those so bad. So like today I made him go to the store. He bought all the ingredients and that's what he's making for me downstairs right now. So pretty much today I just had a few stories due, so I just got ready and I filmed those, sent those in. So now it's time to unwind, eat some dinner, stuff like that. Look, Mel's texting me to come down probably with, oh no, this isn't Mel. But I'm sure Mel would love the help. So I'm gonna go downstairs and play with Kayvon. And another thing that I've been bad at is how messy this house is. Literally, this room is the messiest it's ever been. Like, it's so bad. So I might do a little cleaning montage tonight. I know you guys like clean with me, so I might just do one of those to end off this video. But let's just head downstairs. Actually, I should change first. I'm like in leggings and like a little bodysuit. I'm gonna change and then go downstairs. Hi, Daddy.
What's up?
What are you making? Guys, these fries are so good. The extra crispy ones. Here's his. Are these chicken or turkey? Yum. Then Mel loves his grilled onions. Hey, tell them how I was telling you at 2 in the morning to make me chicken burgers.
Oh yeah, she's been asking for these since last night. Had to run to the grocery store real quick with Vaughn. Vaughn had his first grocery trip.
Because happy wife, happy life?
Uh-huh.
You went to the store with Daddy? You went to the store with Daddy with your little curls? Huh?
Guys, we just got another shipment from Bye Bye Baby and look what came in the mail. Mel hasn't seen it yet. He's gonna love it. Let me put it on him. Noah, baby. Babe, look at him.
Hi, mister.
Let me see my handsome. Ah! Ah! You look so handsome, Bubba.
Here, is it on correctly? I couldn't tell.
You look so handsome.
Let me see. Ah! Oh my god, babe, get him. He just smashed his head into.
Oh my goodness.
I know, guys. Vaughn just smashed his head into my cheek, and now the hat is covered in makeup. Maybe it's new. I don't want to have to go through all the washing.
I'm burning my buns.
Burning your buns. So here is my delicious meal, courtesy of Mel the chef. Well, Mel's already done with this food. Didn't wait for me. They good? Let me try. We're watching Moesha, by the way. Mmm. Yummy in my tummy. Clean up this messy ass kitchen. Mel loaded the dishwasher for the most part, but gotta do that. Gotta clean up the living area. I'm so tired. Literally, since I put Kayvon down, I put him down at like 8:30. I've been exhausted. I don't know why. But I'm just gonna clean up. I think I'm gonna hit the hay early tonight because I don't know why. I have like the worst headache. I'm so tired. I thought it was just because I was thirsty, but I drank like 3 of these and I'm still, my head hurts. I don't know. I'm just gonna finish up cleaning. I was gonna put away the 30 piles of laundry we have, but literally, guys, again, my head is just pounding. I don't know why. Oh, guys, the best spray. This is literally the best scent ever, you guys. This is the Meyer's honeysuckle scent. I also have the hand soap, not the hand soap, the dish soap for this scent. It smells so good. And yes, Kayvon did spit up on me. That's why I have stains all over my shirt. I'm gonna refill this bottle. I reuse this bottle.